Morning, Carl.
Mas Judge,
Yes, sir.
are you surprised of the answer that Mr. Golden gave?
Surprised? No.
Okay, thank you very much. You remember when they asked Mr. Golden if if he is a British citizen, and Mr. Golden denied?
Yes.
All the while, Mr. Golden denied. So what is the big argument about what Mr. Golden said yesterday?
Well, you tell me. You tell me.
No surprise to me.
Okay.
The surprise me have is that why did Mr. Golden bother even to say anything yesterday?
You felt he should have continued to keep silent?
Silent.
Mm-hmm.
Because Mr. Golden have turned up an answer for us to continue to discuss it.
Oh, you're saying he has given new life.
New life to it.
Well, them say
because I think the executive of the PMP is the arm of the People's National Party.
Yes.
And for what Mr. Golden said yesterday, it doesn't hold any water.
Yes. Which part of the statement do you find to be credible?
You know, I am in another group. I'm in a group. And last night, yesterday, when he broke news of what Mr. Golden said, some people take a different stand that Mr. Golden did the right thing. What released from a group doesn't have nothing to do with Mr. Golden. And that is a foolish argument. A very stupid argument. Mr. Golden is a leader of the PMP for over 4 years now. Anything happen within or concerning the People's National Party, it stopped with Mr. Golden.
Oh, that's how you look at it?
That's how me look at it.
And you're saying this, you're saying this to answer my question as to what part of the statement you find credible?
Thank you very much.
Oh.
Because I am a part of the Jamaica Labour Party, and Joe Hall has been leading it for over a couple years well now. And if whatever we do inside a group to help the Jamaica Labour Party to win an election, it benefits Andrew Holness. So if we go on a limb for ourselves, and it should come out like a PMP, a plan to keep Jamaica at a poverty country, nothing must happen because they want power at any cost. This left me again to go back to Mr. Bobby's statement. What Mr. Golden come with yesterday evening.
So again, there's nothing credible. What do you find credible about this statement? What? Nothing. What?
Nothing credible that Mr. Golden said yesterday evening. Mr. Golden get piece of paper yesterday evening or something sent to him phone, and Mr. Golden just hung down his head and read it yesterday evening and put out some of what sent to him.
So you
That's
feel
what Mr. Golden
you feel he would have been better served saying nothing.
Nothing. For over 6 George, upon last week, Monday evening, what the corruption break in Mr. Golden party now. And for yesterday, for Mr. Golden, he come yesterday with this flimsy argument. It is a rubbish argument. And so long the PMP and Mr. Golden doesn't want to see Jamaica move forward. What Mr. Golden must remember now, they are asking please not to turn up at the National Arena the 6th of August because we are celebrating independence from the slave
but you see,
master.
But hold on, you see how life go though. You are one of those who will criticize him if he doesn't turn up to say, see, we're keeping big independence celebrations and the opposition leader has absented himself from the thing.
But if not turn up in an Quest security guard uniform or than turn up, they embarrass me.
I don't understand it. Why is a Quest security guard uniform?
Then the last one when he turned our event in a one wear Jamaica color with the piece of green in a head.
Yes.
So he wear a Quest security guard uniform.
No, but Quest security guard is as I understand it, yellow and black. Wasn't Mr. Golden in gold and black?
But where is it green?
Him not halfway green.
George, don't take me for an idiot here, Mas
You
George.
don't take it for an idiot, I'm just saying.
George,
What-
George, try to twist me,
Carl,
Mas George.
Carl, hold on, Carl.
Mas George, you're not going to get away with me with this now, Mas George.
Carl, hold on, with that twist, man, with that twist. I'm just saying.
Hold on, Mas George.
Yes.
There's Quest Security Guard Company uniform with them we have.
Yellow
a
and
green
black.
in it.
No, but they were yellow and black. But hold on.
Hold on, Mas George. Does it have a green in it, Mas
No,
George?
sir, but wait, no, man. Carl, hold on.
Hold on, Mas George.
Yeah.
Hold on. What is the Jamaica flag, Mas George?
Black, green, and gold, sir.
Okay, sir.
But where is it written that the opposition leader must turn up in a black, green, and gold?
That is our national flag, Mas George.
So there's a rule that the opposition leader must turn up in a
No,
national
Mas
flag?
George, but
Yeah.
that is our flag of our country,
Right.
Mas George. And by other countries. You travel, and when time the anthem is sing for other country, do you see how people respect it, Mas George?
Yes, sir.
So how can I have Mr. Golin collect my taxpayer money and refuse? Just like what you remember what they have a man to go here with the council?
Yes, sir. With the flag. Yes, sir.
With the flag?
Yes.
So you're saying to me that Mas George, in leader of the country, come sick, or celebrate independence,
Yeah.
must put on a security guard company uniform,
I'm
to
not,
carry the Jamaica flag?
I'm not saying that, sir. I'm not saying that.
About Mas George, that's what you take me to a little while.
No, man, I hear argument and just a provoke where I say, which is what I mean. It's my job, me I do, you know. May I ask you if, you know, if you don't think it's gold and black he was wearing rather than yellow and black. That's all I may ask you.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mas George,
He could have been wearing gold and black, Carl.
Mas George,
Yeah.
I heard Matthew Samuda say we not see nothing yet.
Yes. What him talking about? What him talking about when him said that?
Just hold on a little bit more, Mas George.
Well, me never know you're a journalist now.
Mas George, Mas George, what you hear last week, Monday evening, Mas George,
Yeah.
is just the touch of what to come.
How way I say?
It's not started, Mas George.
Yeah, break
Hold
news
on.
now, Carl. Me never know you're breaking news, boss.
No, we
now.
not break no news,
Yeah.
Mas George. But Mas George, we have information. Just hold on a little bit, Mas George.
All right, sir. I have to.
Hold on.
I have to.
But you know, if you know, so you can't wear a Jamaica flag, come to the national arena, come
Yes.
me sick. Nobody come, Mas George.
All right, my friend. Respect.
We don't want no quest. We don't want a leader who collect the taxpayer money.
All right, sir. No problem. Carl. Notes plotting to sabotage the National Reconstruction and Resilience Authority NARA and damage the reputation of its CEO, Major General Anthony Anderson, are not officials of the People's National Party PNP and do not reflect the official position of the party on the matter. That's according to PNP President Mark Golding. Golding responded to the voice notes on Sunday at a meeting of the PNP's National Executive Council NEC held on the Mona campus of the University of the West Indies.
The People's National Party chose not to comment publicly on that matter until we had the facts before us. Our review is now complete and it established three things. Firstly, the conversation in which those leaked recordings took place did not happen in any official party forum. Secondly, no party officer, no officer of the party participated in that discussion. And thirdly, the PNP has no official NEC or executive WhatsApp group. That doesn't exist. And certainly not where party policy is made. This was a WhatsApp group formed by individuals within the party, and the views expressed were their personal views.
The ghost of the leaked voice notes has haunted the PNP since last Monday, when Nationwide News first reported the two comrades discussing how best to ensure NARA fails in its mission to help rebuild the lives of tens of thousands of Jamaicans impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Our reporter, who turned up for the planned press conference at the PNP's NEC meeting on Sunday, says journalists were told the event was cancelled. Mark Golding's response to the voice notes was contained in a video sent by the party to media houses.
Those recordings do not represent the official position of the PNP or any policy of the PNP. The PNP takes responsibility for its official positions. Those are set by our constitutional organs, such as this National Executive Council or the Executive Committee of the party, and those that are communicated by our authorized representatives and shown through our public actions or through our public social media outlets and so on.
Mark Golding, PNP president. He was speaking on Sunday at a meeting of the PNP's NEC at the UWI. Meanwhile, chairman of the JLP's Communication Task Force, Senator Abka Fitzenley, is describing as shameful the failure of the PNP president to condemn these sentiments expressed by members of his party in the leaked voice notes.
Absolutely embarrassing and shameful when the opposition leader addressed this matter of leaked voice notes for approximately 2 minutes. And at no time did he issue a strong condemnation of the assertion from a member of the PNP executive that the party is prepared to pursue delay tactics to stop major projects under the NARA, which are intended to help Jamaican communities recover stronger and to assist our fellow Jamaicans to build back their lives. Secondly, what I'm advised that Golding cannot deny is that the group is made up of the majority of members of the PNP executive, including co-opted members. And the group is called executive members and has a PNP logo as its display photograph. Therefore, his comments on the matter, at minimum, appear inaccurate and misleading.
Senator Fitzenley says Mark Golding's response to the voice notes is true to form.
It is also shameful that Golding did not address another statement made by a member of the PNP executive, where she intimated that the corruption argument cannot be attached to Major General Anderson, who she admitted was an upstanding Jamaican, but went on to discuss the possibility of attaching the corruption argument to him. Totally unacceptable, but not surprising that Golding did not address that matter. And Jamaicans should not be taken aback that he did not do so, because the way his PNP has conducted itself is in a manner where it has shown that it is fully prepared to malign upstanding Jamaicans in order to secure political gain.
Senator Abka Fitzenley, chairman of the JLP's Communication Task Force. And Water Minister Matthew Samuda says the content of the leaked voice notes lays bare the mentality of the PNP. Samuda, the MP for North East St. Anne, was addressing supporters at a meeting of the JLP's Area Council 3 in Manchester on Sunday.
When they tell you that their job is to obstruct your work, you need to believe them. And you say, I'm happy that that voice note has come out. Not because they're taking a beating, but because when some of us were telling the public that there are people in the system that are obstructing the prosperity of citizens, some say, no, look, it's political talk. When ladies and gentlemen, them tell you them obstructing what we have been doing. But that should have been evident to the public a long time ago. But labor rights, keep your ears to the ground. I expect to hear some more very soon. Keep your ears to the ground.
Matthew Samuda, MP for North East St. Anne, addressing a JLP Area Council 3 meeting on Sunday. And the MP for North East Manchester, Ambassador Audrey Marks, says the opposition PNP has shown Jamaica it will stop at nothing in its pursuit of state power. She was speaking on Sunday at a meeting of the JLP's Area Council 3 in her constituency.
A lot of detractors are out there, and it's no longer just a passive opposition. It's an opposition that is determined to undermine and sabotage our progress. It doesn't matter the impact on the country long term. There's a determination that we should not succeed as a party, as a government, and as a country, and that is frightening. So we have to be on our guard, and that is why these meetings are so important, because it's very important that every one of you must be prepared. You must have the information, and you must be prepared to stand your ground, to defend what you know is the truth.
Ambassador Marks says the JLP administration must be ready to respond to the lies being spread by the PNP.
We have underestimated, and I'm glad that voice note came out, because we have underestimated the determination of the PNP to sabotage this government. So without any proof, they're running with that narrative. And sometimes as government, we cannot respond quickly enough, and we have to learn now that in this environment, we have to move very quickly to really shut down the lies. Yes? And so it's important that you hear the truth.
Ambassador Audrey Marks, MP for North East Manchester. The government is rejecting as false a report in the race to become the next governor of the Bank of Jamaica,